Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by placing the call, open the phone app and choose Recents or Contacts, then tap the person you need to reach. Make sure your microphone and volume are set. Using speaker helps you listen while recording. Once the call connects, wait for their voicemail greeting to start before speaking. If it rings, let it go to voicemail. Do not hang up. This ensures the carrier's voicemail system answers and records your message cleanly. When the greeting finishes and you hear the tone, speak clearly and at a steady pace. This is your actual recording moment. Start with your name and reason for calling, then provide any actionable details like callback number or time. Keep it concise, about 20 to 30 seconds, so the recipient can quickly absorb the info. Once done, pause for a second or two to ensure the carrier finishes saving the file before you hang up or press end call. After leaving your message, wait a beat to allow the system to finalize the recording, then end the call. Next, verify delivery. Check visual voicemail in the phone app or call the number and listen for your message. If you don't see or hear it, make sure voicemail is set up on your iPhone and your carrier supports it. Restart the phone and try again. If problems persist, contact your carrier. Voicemail setup or network issues are the usual culprits.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.